Welcome to my review of the Theradome, the at-home laser helmet designed to treat hair loss. I've been using this device for a while now, and I'm here to share my honest opinion. For anyone struggling with hair loss, Theradome promises to be a non-invasive solution using laser therapy to stimulate hair follicles and promote growth. It's a bit of a commitment, as you need to wear it for around 20 minutes per session, multiple times a week. But is it really worth the investment? When you first open the box, the helmet looks pretty sleek and high-tech. It's not too bulky, and it fits comfortably on your head. It comes with a charger, so you'll have to plug it in for every session, but the setup is easy. You just put the helmet on, turn it on, and let the lasers do their thing. The helmet uses 678 nanometers laser light to stimulate hair follicles, which is supposed to help with thinning hair. The instructions are pretty straightforward, and I found that the device is simple to use. The first few sessions felt a little strange, like I was just sitting there doing nothing. But after a while, I started to notice subtle changes. My hair looked a little thicker, and I could feel more texture to it. However, it wasn't a drastic change at first, and I was initially unsure if the device was actually working. Did you know people waste so much time just resetting passwords? I used to be one of them, until I found Locker.io, and now I don't even think about it. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. After using the Theradome for a few months, I did notice more significant results. My hairline seemed to improve, and overall, my hair appeared fuller. However, the process is slow. Don't expect overnight results. It took several weeks for me to see a difference, and it required consistent use. If you're someone who can't commit to the treatment schedule, this might not be the right solution for you. One downside is the price. The Theradome isn't cheap, and while it promises results, it might not fit everyone's budget. Also, it's not a cure for all types of hair loss, particularly for severe cases. If you're dealing with more advanced hair loss or medical conditions, the results might be less impressive. In conclusion, I think the Theradome has potential, but it's not a miracle worker. It does seem to help with hair thinning and can provide a fuller look if used consistently. Just remember, the results aren't immediate, and it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. So, if you're looking for a non-invasive way to treat hair loss, it might be worth trying, but be prepared for a slow process and the investment. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and updates.